Welcome to my YouTube channel, Legal Information, Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. Today, we are going to discuss an important and impactful constitutional judgment delivered by the Supreme Court of India on 8 April 2025. This reportable judgment was uploaded on its website on 11 April 2025. This decision will provide a new direction for the relationship between state governments, governors, and the President. This judgment addresses the issue of assent or withholding assent by governors or the President on bills passed by state legislatures. Can the governor or the President delay the decision on a bill indefinitely? Let's dive deep into this judgment's constitutional issues, legal interpretations, and its implications. 1. Case details and bench composition. Case: Tamil Nadu vs. Tamil Nadu Governor and others. Writ petition: Civil number 1239/2023. Bench: Honorable Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Honorable Justice R. Mahadevan. Judgment date: 8 April 2025. This case attracted national attention as it questioned the actions of Governor R. N. Ravi and, indirectly, the central government's role in legislative inaction. 2. Background: What was the dispute? Between 2020 and 2023, the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly passed 12 important bills, primarily aimed at educational reforms. Main objective of the reforms: the bills aim to empower the state government to appoint vice-chancellors to state universities, rather than the governor, in his capacity as chancellor. These bills were passed under Entry 25 of the State List, a subject matter that comes under the jurisdiction of the states. However, the governor neither gave assent, nor returned the bills for reconsideration, nor reserved the bills for the President's consideration. This inaction lasted for over 3 years. This delay created a constitutional issue and was seen as an interference with the state's autonomy. Ultimately, the Tamil Nadu government filed a writ petition before the Supreme Court seeking judicial intervention. 2.1 Governor's inaction from 13 January 2020 to 28 April 2023. The Tamil Nadu Legislature sent 12 bills to the Governor for assent between 13 January 2020 and 28 April 2023. Even though the current Governor assumed office on 18 November 2021, he did not take any action on any of the bills sent to him until October 2023. How were these bills left pending with the Governor? As a result, the Tamil Nadu government was forced to approach the Supreme Court seeking intervention. The writ petition was filed on 31 October 2023. 3 constitutional provisions relevant to this dispute. This dispute centered around 2 key constitutional provisions. Article 200 Governor's role on bills passed by the state legislature. When a bill is passed by the state legislature, the governor has 4 options. 1. Give assent, the bill becomes law. 2. Withhold assent, effectively rejecting the bill. 3. Return the bill for reconsideration by the legislature, except for money bills. 4. Reserve the bill for the President's consideration. However, there is no time frame specified for the governor to act. Some governors have misused this provision to delay bills, creating an administrative bottleneck. Article 201 President's role on reserved bills. If a bill is reserved for the President's consideration by the governor, the President has the following options. 1. Give assent. 2. Withhold assent. Once again, no time frame is specified, leading to situations of pocket veto. 4. The key legal issues before the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court had to decide. 1. Can the governor or the President delay the decision indefinitely on a bill? 2. Is such inaction a violation of constitutional duties? 3. Can such inaction be judicially reviewed? 4. Does such delay violate federalism and democracy? 5. Key observations by the Supreme Court. A. Governors cannot remain silent, para 436 to 437, page 410 to 411. The Honorable Court made it clear that the governor's role is not discretionary or political, but constitutional. The governor must act within a reasonable time to uphold the spirit of the Constitution. Delaying action constitutes misuse of constitutional office. B. The President must also act promptly. Para 438 to 439, page 411. The President cannot remain silent when a bill is reserved for consideration. There is no place for a pocket veto. Inaction violates the democratic spirit of the Constitution. C. Judicial review is possible. Para 328 to 329, page 289 to 293. The court clarified that inaction by the governor and president can be brought under judicial review. The courts have the power under Articles 32 and 226 to examine inaction by constitutional offices. D. Federalism needs protection. Para 246 to 249, page 210 to 211. The court noted that states are not subordinate to the Union. The Indian Constitution promotes federalism, where both the center and states are equal partners. Inaction by the governor or president disrupts this balance. 6. Final judgment and directions. 1. 3-month time limit. When a bill is reserved for the president's consideration, the decision must be made within 3 months. 2. Written explanation from the center. If there is no response, the central government must inform the state in writing, explaining the valid reason for the delay. 3. Legal recourse for states. If inaction is unacceptable, states can seek judicial remedies in the courts. 4. No constitutional immunity for inaction. Neither the governor nor the president can claim constitutional immunity for inaction. 7. The real-world impact of this judgment. Faster governance. Bills passed by the state legislature will now receive quick assent or reservation for the president's consideration. Limiting governors' interference. Governors will no longer have the freedom to act with political motivations. Their role will be strictly constitutional. Strengthening democracy and federalism. This decision empowers state legislatures and ensures balance between the union and the states. Conclusion. In conclusion, this judgment further strengthens India's constitutional and federal framework. It resolves issues caused by inaction of governors, ensuring that democratic processes are respected and the Constitution is upheld. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more legal insights. I will meet you in the next video soon.